Okei. Eli mikki, onko se niin, että mikki lähelle? Yes.
Tuleeko ääni molempiin? Nyt mä puhun. Kuuluuko? Toimiiko?
Toimiiko? Ja volyymi on hyvä. Yes.
Okei. Saa vähän kovemmin sille kuuluvalle.
Everybody. So it was an amazing day. Thank you for your contribution. So this is the part that's the most exciting. So now we talk about teams, innovations. So my name is Ursula Koski. So those of you who don't know me, I'm the chairwoman for Tivia, which is a technology group that goes across Finland. We have 28 communities, right, across Finland. And it's actually the oldest tech community in Finland. So we were founded in 1953, so quite a while back. I have Mikka with me, so.
Yeah, thanks, Ursula. My name is Michael Lindholm, and I'm again involved also in Tivia, in the board, but also in the local organization, which has a very exciting name of VSTKY, VSTKY.
Say that quickly.
Yeah, that's a very, very easy to remember. We have decided with Tivia that we have, and also with Järkkäinen ICTShowroom, that we have an ICT award that we are giving today.
So basically, we went through the teams, we looked at the innovations, you have amazing stuff, so congratulations all. But of course, we had the hard choice of having to choose who to award, and we actually made a decision of we will choose 5 teams that we will actually continue to develop in the future, if you're okay with that. So we will actually build a network around you, so you get to innovate with the network with people who actually will do funding. My daytime role is Amazon Web Services, so of course the technology platform is very close to my heart. So I will also provide AWS support for that. So you will get access, and it means also that we would like to see those teams also take part in a webinar where you get to also pitch the product further. So that's basically the reasoning why 5, but then the question is, which 5 and why?
Yes, so the 5 we have picked now, and remember again that we have had a lot of good ideas. We had the ICT as our focus. So the 5 we have chosen are S16 GNSS, S18 ABPC, hooray, S28 Strömming, S33 TQIT, and S34 Cirquwaste Kielo.
So congratulations all. So basically the invite to do more business pitch around the products is for you all, so for all of the teams that we mentioned now. But then we had the hard choice of, hey, we need to choose somebody who wins in our category. And that was really difficult.
Yeah.
So, but we made the choice. We loved all the innovations that you have, but who was the winner and why?
Yeah, the winner, we thought that, okay, this was smart utilization of data. It was a quite hard use of data also, and has potential in various fields, and has also potential on the security side to make our world and ourselves also more secure. And the winner is GNSS.
So basically what will happen next, so I would ask the team GNSS to join us here.
Yeah.
So we would like to give you diplomas and we have something for you to remember us by, but I would actually want to have all of your contact details, and I think I have them already,
Yeah,
to invite you to the Innovation and Inspiration of Future Creators think tank. So you will be getting an invite from us. But could I get the GNSS team down here?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Here we go.
Congratulations.
There you go. Congrats. Yeah. Congrats. Thanks. Congrats. Congrats. Kun tänne, niin otetaan kuva vielä. If you can join us over here a little bit, man.
So can we get a round of applause?
Yeah.
Amazing job. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you for our side, and you will continue then with Järkä, I think. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for the fantastic day. I especially liked that really people were visiting your stands and talking to each other. So that was very good. My name is Järkä Björkqvist. I'm the one that has been sending your emails and making sure that we have this event together today. So next is actually the final pitch, and then we have the actual prize ceremony. So in the program it was that we start with the pitch, but it will be a little bit changed, because first we will go through these special nominations that we have. The pitching teams, we know them already. I hope you are prepared and be preparing for your pitches. But before that, we go through kind of special nominations that our jury has come to during visiting your stands and discussing together today. These special nominations we will do like that each from the jury members will come here and say why we give these special nominations. And you will get the fantastic ICT showroom mug when you get this. Then when we have went through these special nominations, we invite the teams to the stage to do the final pitches. And then we have the pitches, 5 of them, and then the jury votes the one that wins. So we don't yet know who wins ICT showroom. That's very interesting. Nobody knows at this moment who will win. So we go now to I will start with, we had a public voting today also. So I will start with that. Now I missed the box with all the votes actually. Yeah, is it there? So we had this public voting. We had 2 categories, best presentation and best technical content. And the winner is Orcs on a Train in both parts. So welcome to the stage. You will get your mugs. And then we go on to the jury decisions about special nominations. So let's start with best business concept, and that is, yes.
Hello, hello. And on behalf of jury, it's nice to be here and thank you all for your great concepts. It was a pleasure to go through them all. And I'm going to announce you the best business concept. And we were discussing about this group that their solution was sustainable and it was focusing on common good. And the business case in general was really good. And we decided that the winner of this category is Lokala. So please come here and collect your mug.
We can immediately continue and go to the next, which is, now I don't remember, you remember yourself. Most topical.
Hello, it has been really exciting to see all the projects presented today, and the jury in its wisdom has decided that the nomination for the most topical project goes to a team that has developed a complete, working and feature-rich solution to a problem that many households are facing currently. And it's of course team currently.
And we go on. The next is a nomination for Best Impact for Industry.
Yeah, hello. Been great being here today. A lot of cool innovations we've seen here. The team for the Best Industry Impact is a team that has taken a real problem and brought a solution. It's a clever solution utilizing technologies that are already available, and this also enhances safety at sea. And that's, of course, Chatter AI.
And while they are coming here to this page, we go on to next one, that is the Best Game category.
All right, hi. Again, absolute pleasure being here today. The best game was a bit difficult one for sure. We had a lot of good ones today, but we felt that this particular game was really well polished, had a consistent, thought out art style, and they'd gone really far in a short time. So this one's going to Orcs on a Train.
All right, next category is Out of the Box.
Hello, I'm Lassi from MyTale, from a game company, and that's probably one of the reasons why I was asked to be in the jury to keep an eye for the game companies. And the out-of-the-box special mention goes to a game project that we believe delivered lots of creativity and good ideas, and that is Halls of Madness.
So there, they are coming, and then we have next category is Best Solution.
Yeah, hello. Petri Aaltonen from EPEC. The best solution, we all hate to wait things. So forgot the name. Sorry about this. The best solution is TQIT.
Thank you. And then we have finally something that is good, of course, most passion.
Hey everybody, Petri Hirvonen from Sade Innovations. It's a pleasure to announce what everybody, I guess, already knows if you have gone through all the stands. There's this one guy who was totally on his own league as far as the passion for the hobby, as he said, is concerned. So for the most passionate guy, if you ever consider doing anything else than coding, you might as well go into marketing and sales. Disc golf application, and Sebastian Sobola.
Is Sebastian around? Okay. He went with passion to do something else. I would not suggest that we all have you here. I will call you back later once more. But now when you go, you can go. There's a table behind you. Please go and pick up a mug from there. And while you are doing that, we can start to prepare for the pitch finals. And the first out of the pitch finalist is, according to the numbering, is Lukala. Loggautumaan mihinkään järjestelmään nyt, kun nämä kaikki tuli tänne. Joo, koska mä... No niin. All right, we are already ready for the pitches. Now when I see one person, I will, before we start the pitches, no, you're ready to pitch. We will do like that. You will come later. Yes, do like that. So,
you are visible for the camera, so not
yeah.
further than this one.
Yeah. So the instruction for the pitcher, please be around here, because otherwise they will not see you from the stream. So we don't have a switcher now, so I will work as the switcher here for the slides. So if you are ready, are you? Let's welcome Lukala to stage. And keep the microphone here. Okay. Then it works.
Like this. Can you hear me? Nice. Jarkko, ready? Yeah. I'll give you a thumbs up or something when you can switch. Yeah. All right. I'm not nervous at all. So, hello. My name is Hanna Liiman, and I have been the project manager for Team Lucala. We are very honored to be here in the finals today. It has been a very long but fun day, and hopefully you had time to come visit our stand, and hopefully you had some time to try our product out, and hopefully you bought some free apples also to test it out. Yeah, so instead of trying to find these local products in some kind of Facebook groups or trying to Google where to find these, we have created this web application to gather all local businesses to one place. Hopefully you are somewhat familiar with that also, but I will tell you more about the solutions. Studies have actually also shown that the main barriers to buying local food or consuming local food has been like the price, because there has been a costly middleman, or availability, or like it's really hard to find these products. So that's why we came up with Lucala. By removing this costly middleman, businesses can easily sell their products on the Lucala webpage and pick up their products in the location. And now when I'm nervous, I forgot to give the thumbs up, but you could show the goals here. So these are the goals, and you see the web app also there in the picture. Yes, so here you see more about our goals, and we want to promote and preserve these local businesses that are trying to sell their products, but sometimes finding it really hard. In the future, we are also thinking of implementing categories and a search function, as you can see. So it's even easier to find the products you are searching. And payments will also be available in the app, in the web application. So as we will have, for example, mobile pay, and we thought of having this possibility to tip the local business so that you can help your local business out and show your appreciation. Yes. Here you see the business model that you probably have seen earlier today also. We really thought of having a free trial so that the businesses can try out our web application and like feel the waters and so that they can test how easy it is to use. And then the basic model for businesses to then use all this standard functionality. Yes, here is my team. It has been really great working on this project with all the teammates. From now on, we think that shopping local and finding local products should be really effortless and fun. So we are Lucala, and our goal is to also help you all out to shop local and support your local businesses. Thank you.
Thank you, Lucala. We go on and take the next pictures. So the next in the list is currently. Are you nervous?
I have quite many animations, but I will tell you. Okay, can you hear me? Good. It's not visible here. At least this is not my fault. Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Marta Richter, and I am representing a team currently. I am the project manager, and we are a smart energy management system. Okay, so I will ask every one of you a simple question. Do you know how much you are paying every month for running your washing machine? And I will tell you the price is this. You can click. But now I will ask another question. Do you know how much you can pay instead? And the price is this. So let's have this sinking in for a minute. And the reason why this is happening, you can click, it's because of this. The prices are changing every hour. It's something that is called click spot prices, and it has become very popular quite recently in this winter, actually. So these are data, of course, from November, past year, when I actually made this presentation. But as we can see here, like this quick chart represents like the number of spot prices contracts versus the fixed price contracts. And like in blue, you have the spot prices. They have been increasing, but they have not taken over fully. And why is that? It's because following spot prices as a household, it's a hassle. So yes, let's move forward. So we have a problem here. You can click. We have high electricity prices. They are quite high they are expensive, they are increasing, and they are all over all the news. We are having spot prices, but they are hard to get. It's increasingly difficult accessing the spot prices market and understanding when it's the cheapest price and regulating based on that. And of course, we have a lot of devices. We have a lot of appliances, and they are hard and time-consuming to manage. But we have a solution. So with currently, what we are proposing is helping you getting the spot prices. So we are offering data accessibility. Then we are offering an easy interface, so you can use intuitive controls to see the prices and see your devices and manage your household appliances. We are offering the automatic scheduling of the devices, so you can run the devices when they are at the cheapest. And then finally, we are, of course, offering also analytics, so you can see how much you have saved every month, all within the user interface. So next slide. Our business model, it's 3 clicks. So we have 3 plans. We want all the users to be able to save money on their appliances for free. So we have a free app. Then we have a premium version of the app, so you can access extra features on a subscription based. So we were thinking, for example, what if you would like to see even more in the future rather than just the spot prices on the day after? What if you would like to access weather data, for example, and see if it's going to be sunny and you can run your devices in 5 days? And then ultimately, we would like to collaborate with companies so for them to enable the integration with our app. As well in their smart home appliances. So a quick run through. This is us, this is our team. As you can see, I am the project manager, then we had Mathilde doing the user interface and front-end development. Same with Juliette, and then we had Eric who worked on the back-end and implementation, the architecture. Anton did the front-end, and Kalle. The same with some QA management as well. And of course, like being the asset manager, he brought the amazing fan that you would have seen on our desk. But yes, you can click the next one. This is it. This is us. This is team currently. Your current prices currently.
Thank you. We go on. And on this list is S70. Now it's not the name here, but you probably remember who you are. Here is Chatter AI, yes. Yes, we see the screen.
Hello. I think it's great to be nervous when you stand in front of public. Okay. Is the audio clarity or? Yeah, it's the problem we are trying to solve. So we are Chatter AI. We are trying to solve, we are building actually a web application that will solve a communication problem for very high frequency radio communications. So I'll give you the contents of what we have. We will first give you a scenario of the problem we are solving, and then give you the solutions we have for them, and then the team behind the scene working. Okay. So let's see the problem. We all know that in the shipping industry, the most used communication device is radio. And we can see in the screen, someone is sitting behind the desk listening to these audios. And you can see in the subtitle, it's like we are syncing. But to the guy behind the table there is understanding we are thinking. Okay, this is a miscommunication. Could there be risks involved in an emergency situation, loss of businesses when ships crashes in the sea? So we try to find possible solutions for them. We try to make sure like there's this avoidance of miscommunications. So we try to transcribe these audios into text and display it to them for them to see what they are listening to. And then we try to integrate some more future components, not just limiting ourselves by transcribing this audio for them to understand. We try to create a situational awareness. What is this about? We want to know where the ship is located. We want to identify who are we talking to. Which ship is in the nearby vicinity in the sea? We want to identify all these things. So the great interface we have for this industry is Chatter AI. And Chatter AI consists of different components. The components you are seeing is like you have the list of ships. And these ships can be changing in colors. Why are they changing in colors? Because we want to know which ships are nearby and which ships is sending a voice audio right now. And then this audio will be transcribed, fed into the system, and then the AI will do the transcription. You will be able to read this text. And we don't limit on that one also. Like on a click button, you will be able to see the ship name, their MMIS number, AS numbers. You will be able to identify these things. And then we try to create a conversation log because not only important matters are always communicated through radio. Sometimes friends want to say hi. You have a conversation log for that. All right. We said, okay, how can you see these ships? Integrate the map. Put all these components in one interface and then give it to them. So you'll be able to click the button, expand the map, and then see the located ships within or nearby. So I present to you the team behind the scene. We are working on this project with our Maria and Novia. You have us in the picture there. It will be hard to mention all the names, but Lamin, Jisnu, Elena, Mahbub, Sanun, and Sharif. We present to you AI. This is just a lighthouse we are trying to create for a gloomy night in the maritime industry. Chatter AI, thank you all for listening.
Thank you, Chatter AI. And we go to next team, which is Orc on a Train.
Hello, I'm Alexander, the project manager for Orcs on a Train. So get ready for a ride you won't forget, because Orcs on a Train is coming your way. We are a small studio, only have 4 members. To the right, Fike, then Frederick, then me, and Sampo. And what is Orcs on a Train? Well, it's a single-player, turn-based strategy game, where the goal as a player is to take control of these 3 orcs and help them, guide them through the train. And the game offers different challenges that you have to use the orcs' abilities and skills to use to complete your mission. And we went with a low poly, shell shaded graphic style and unique art style by our Sampo there to tell a story about 3 orcs that went on a bachelor party, ended up on the wrong train, and now have to fight through this old eldritch train. And with this, we can tell a unique story and give a good gaming experience. So what's next for us? Well, we did external testing and we got a really nice feedback from the game. So we want to continue with the game because we also did some research online and we noticed there's a big demand for turn-based games. And how to achieve this, we're gonna, of course, add more levels, implement the story between the levels, and of course, make the characters unique. So by looking at them, you know what they're gonna do. So, all aboard. If you haven't tested the game yet, there's the link to the Google Drive. So, thank you.
Thank you. And let's continue. Here's Reed's final pitch. So that will be the final pitch for today, yes. Welcome.
All right, so hi, my name is Niklas Moon. I'm representing Ticket today, and thank you everyone for an amazing day, and thank you juries for giving us this opportunity as well. And to the beginning, every single one here has most likely been to Kela, or an establishment where they offer you a paper ticket to get in the queue. And it probably looks something like this. You go up to the machine, you sit down on a chair, 10, 15, 20 minutes, you don't know. How would you know? It's time-consuming and boring, and you would probably have something else to do besides sitting there in that chair with your paper ticket in the hand. So, the problem is quite simple. You don't want to sit with a paper ticket in an establishment waiting 15, 10, 20 minutes. So, we have the solution. We made it digital. We offer, with the QR scanning, a real-time serving number. There is also the application itself gives you notifications when it's your time, and it also gives you the option to leave the queue if you don't want to do it anymore, if you don't want to sit in the queue, or if you notice while you're on the other side of the street in a cafeteria that you just simply can't make it. Well, if you can't make it, you can just sit in the cafeteria on the other side of the road and just apply to the queue again. It's simple as that. And most importantly, no more paper token. That's what we want to offer. A little bit of a more greener solution. And of course, our goals here are simple. We want to make the queuing experience as stress-free as possible. We want to be able to sit in a cafeteria 100, 200 meters away, chatting with our friends, and just looking at our phone and taking the app ticket. And this way we'll also be reducing the paper waste, and it's going to be time saving. You don't have to go to the establishment and wait for 10 or 20 minutes. That's a thing of the past. And it's cost efficient. And shortly, before we're going into the team, our business model, which PowerPoint fell off, but it's a monthly subscription plan, which uses a 59.99 euros per month for our customers. So we will be selling business-to-business customer, and the end user is going to be using it for free. And once we've been able to get actually customers, and we will be able to get more data, and then we might be able to lift up our monthly subscription price. But anyways, this is our team. We have Rickard Sankalpa, Samuel, Daniel, and blackout, Kasper. Hey, thank you so much. I hope that was everything. But next, yeah. Hey, and remember, the future is Ticket.
Thank you. The 5 pitching teams. What did you like them? Yes, they were very fantastic, well prepared and good slides. So now it's the time for the jury to vote, and in between I invite first Boost to tell what happens after you leave this staircase.
Hello everyone. How many of you have heard about Boost Turku? Yes, I'm so happy. Probably because I was running here and there and meeting basically all of the teams this morning and noon. I was so impressed with all of you, and I'm so happy to invite you to SparkUp. How many of you know where is SparkUp? Okay, most of you. So if you don't know, ask the person who is next to you. And there will be an after party, and it will be organized by us, Boost Turku, and also Shift Business Festival. So there will be pizza, a little bit beer, and snacks, everything. So it's kind of like a thank you for all of you for spending all of this time for working on the project. Most of you are probably hungry and tired, so it's a great way to finish this afternoon. So there will be some program. Silo AI will be there telling a little bit about how is it to work in an AI field. And Turku AI Day is also, if Mikke is still here, he will probably tell a little bit about that program if you're going to stay for the Turku AI Day. But most of all of the project, if you are interested to work on that idea forward, we have Startup Journey every summer, 8 weeks acceleration program, perfect way to get an overview, what is it like to have and start a startup. So you get all the perspectives like that you need to have like there if you want to be a real business. A lot of great mentors, a lot of great coaches who will help you. And also like who have been pitching here, it's a great opportunity to learn a lot about pitching because basically almost every week we have a workshop for pitching. So if that's something that you want to pursue, Startup Journey is a great opportunity. And don't forget that you can also get study points and it's completely free. And if you haven't had enough about building ideas, next week we have also Startup Marathon, which is weekend-long idea hackathon. So if you want to come with this idea or some other idea just to work on the team building skills and working on the startup, that's also available for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Before we get the results of the jury doing their voting, we have one small thing. So we have the public voting. So we normally distribute something like this just by a lottery. Finally, the one that cared to put their name or email address on these voting papers. Now I need somebody. There's somebody that looks very nice to use for drawing a paper by random from this box. Yes, I can try to read it. I think here reads Markku Iltanen. Is Markku Iltanen here? If Markku Iltanen is not here, he will get this through email. I don't know how that will be handled, but somehow. Good. No, we normally do like that. That's why we collect the email. Are we ready? Do we have a result? This is like the Oscars, isn't it? So now you should have a nice envelope. And the winner is Team Lukala. And in order to be moving around enough, the Team Lukala, each member will get this Polar Premium Multisport watch. So there.
Thank you.
You have. How many are you? Thank you. And now I would Yes, please join the middle. Now I would also like to invite the jury. Please come here also to take pictures. For the pictures, that's the first step. And I also want to a big hand to the jury, because the jury is very, very important for us, for this event. Without the jury, we don't get this real feedback, the company feedback about the quality of our work. And I'm always as surprised how well they, in like 5 or 10 minutes when they visit you, really get to know what you actually have been doing. So this is perfect work again this year from the jury. So big hand to the jury and to the winners. I forgot to give the jury the mugs, but they are there, so you will get them, no problem. And also now I would still like to have we normally make this big common photo shooting of all winners today, so please all winners that got special nominations or a special award from the public, come here in front and we will make a nice picture of everything. Try to fit you together. No, jury should be here, of course. Yes, we want to have the jury, you are as important than the rest ones. So, So let's make a big smile. Where's the cameras? There's one camera at least, and there's another one. And then our TV team, or this YouTube team, has this announcement that the teams that I now call, you are not allowed to leave before the TV team has talked to you. So the ones are GNSS, ABPC, T-Kit, currently Chatter AI. So those were the ones. Did you get it? Those that yet have not been interviewed, yes. Yes, the others are already there. Don't leave without the mugs. That's the final thing I have to say today. Thank you, everyone. It has been a perfect day. See you soon again. Bye.
We should invite everyone literally here for photo, or it's too late? No. It's too late? Okay.
And also certificates are still here on the table.
Do you hear me? Is it okay now? If we continue?
Can you hear me? Real good. Yes. Okay.
Okay, so we start with a few more interviews because we didn't have time in the first session to interview all of you, and they have been nominated for a prize. So first we are interviewing Ticket, and we want to know first your name.
So I am Sankalpane Upane, and I am the project manager of Team Ticket and the man behind the idea of this product or software.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit more about the product?
So basically, I guess like most of people go to Kela and Nordea banks like that, and you just take the ticket and you don't know how long you have to wait that. So we wanted to come up with the idea that you have some digital solution over there where you can just get the ticket even without going to that place and just wait in some like rather than just sitting on that office, you can go to other restaurant and without having fear of losing your place, you can be on restaurant having coffee and chilling and weather, and the app will notify you about your turn.
Okay, so like if I'm, for example, have to go to lab to take some tests, and I just take the ticket, and then I don't have to go to the lab before I have my time to go there, or is that like?
Yeah, if you go to like near premises of that lab, you already get like touching the key, like some button, you already get the ticket, and you really not physically need to be there. You can be somewhere else, and when their time will be there, then the app will directly notify you about your turn.
Okay.
So that is the
it sounds very good and very like we are all saving time if this comes through. So it sounds very good project. So how far is the project at the moment?
Actually, we have the ready app, so we are not into like some organization cooperating with any organization, but we have a ready app, but it still needs to like feature some kind of different app as well, features as well in the app, but we are working on that. Hopefully if we need like someone really want to work with us, we can go through that and make it happen.
Okay, so you just need someone to be kind of willing to try out the whole app with you.
Yeah, so. We want some companies to like try out our app and see the results, how it works, and what will be the customer feedback about that.
Okay,
so that's our initial plan.
That's very good. And you were nominated in 2 different, like for the was the AWS project where you are getting further help, and then another one as well. So you were doing a very good job in this competition.
Yes, first we nominated for we were selected for the finalists.
Exactly.
And that was a great achievement so far. And after that we were also nominated for the great ICT. It was ICT award, which was nominated by the team. I don't know, it's 3VR or something.
Yes.
They nominated us as a good idea for ICT.
Exactly.
And later on we went as a good ICT solution for that.
Yes.
So a solution to a real problem.
Yeah,
so we were glad we achieved so many things in one single competition like this.
Yeah, it's a very good job. So thank you for the interview.
Thank you so much.
And it was very nice to meet you
was really
and
nice
hear
meeting
about
you.
your
Thank
project.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Next one. Which group are you? No, yeah, we already interviewed you, so no need. Yes, exactly. Yeah, so that was a mistake, sorry. Yeah. Can we interview, so you are the ones, okay. So we just ask a few questions, is this okay? Yeah.
Okay.
So first, what's your name?
I'm Shanur.
Sorry, if you have I got used to that we have. Yeah, sorry. So what was your team? What team were you from?
We are from Chatter.
Chatter AI. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So what was your project about?
So it was for marine industry.
Yes.
And it was solving the problem that we experience with very high frequency radio communication that happens when the ship and the harbor are talking with each other, and there is a lot of noise. So trying to solve that through speech-to-text transcriptions, and also we want to know who's talking, who that person is, what's their location, and yeah.
Yeah, so basically what I understood from the presentation is that you are kind of using AI to produce the kind of subtitles for the what is
just like a
spoken. So
movie.
yeah, so then they don't have to rely on their hearing, but they can actually read what is said.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So even if they're chilling somewhere, having a coffee, so they don't really have to focus on what they're saying.
Yeah.
And because there can be different kind of accents, so
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah.
that can help
Yeah.
a lot.
Okay. Yeah. So it's for the marine industry.
Yes, we are collaborating with Novi and Abumara.
Mm.
So they have provided us the idea and also the data. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So, yeah. How far is the project at the moment?
I think it's 60%. For, we are because the technologies that we are using, they are already present. We just need to get them integrated.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, there are a lot of models that we can pre-train models that we can use. So it's more about integrating and how we really wanna make it in a witty way. How we're gonna make it work.
Okay. So what do you think is the future of your project?
Well, I think that if we well, for now, in marine industry, it's very good because when we talked with the captains, they said that they are experiencing very problems with the communication. But if we look more far, then we can see that even aviation industries, they also use radio.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
So pilots would be way happier
Yes.
if they can also get the subtitles. Like,
yeah. So there would be like other areas besides marine industry where you could use your product. Yeah. Definitely, maybe in somewhere where you have like a lot of noise in some other industrial areas as well.
Yes, exactly, industrial area.
Yeah.
That's a very good point.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very interesting project, and thank you for the interview.
Thank you.
And yeah, it was like you also won some prize here.
Yeah,
didn't
it was
you?
the best impact of industry.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I believe that's the case for you. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
It's like a team
Maybe you
effort.
can say your names if you want to for the
Yes.
microphone.
Is it live stream now?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay,
So you were the which group? We were the currently.
Yes, currently.
Exactly. So what is your name?
My name is Marta and I am the project manager.
Yeah. And you?
I'm Mathilde.
I'm Anton.
I'm Juliette.
My name's Kalle. I'm Erik.
Okay. So what was your project about?
We had an energy management system, so our project was focusing mainly on developing the software. And basically, like the core purpose of it was fetching the spot prices from the energy market, and then via a user interface, so like offering the user a user interface, scheduling the home appliances and devices. And our product was mostly targeted to household owners.
Yeah. So the aim is to help the households to reduce their electricity bill and kind of like also in the same time reduce the consumption of electricity in some ways as well, like and lessen the peaks when you have like
as a consequence.
Yeah,
yes,
exactly.
Yes,
okay.
Basically, because like one of the problems at the moment with the spot prices is that when the prices are at the cheapest, most likely you are sleeping.
Exactly.
So you cannot really schedule your devices you cannot set your devices to run, but you can schedule them if you have a software.
Yeah, exactly. So how far is your project at the moment?
I think we have like how to say bare bones at the moment, but it's functional.
Yes.
We have a very good user interface that doesn't look like a high end, but it works. It has the main controls.
Yeah.
So you can schedule the device automatically. So you can fetch the software fetches the prices for the current day and for the day after noon. And you can decide to set your devices or like other devices in the app and set them to run according to the spot price in the night, or you can set them manually. And then visualize when your devices are scheduled, you have some settings and also the analytics part, so you can see how much money you have saved.
Yeah, that sounds like you are quite far. Some kind of like small final steps. And
it sounds really good when I say it.
Yeah.
Of course, I know also the problems.
We all know it. So it's always like a bug fixes. You fix one, you have like 900 bucks, and then you fix one and you have 1,000 bucks. So that's how it goes. But that's normal. But anyway, you are like already have made kind of like the major steps, and you have kind of like a working program which is still needs some fixing.
Yes, yes, exactly. We also have some good ideas about new features, or like there is this weather data thing that we really wanted to implement, but we decided, at least for the scope of this event, to just stick with the scope that we started, and not to have like it increasing too much and ultimately not being able to deliver anything. But one thing that we would really like, for example, it's like including also weather data to be able to predict sunny days or very windy days, and hence like having likelihood of cheaper prices also like way ahead in the future than just 2 days.
Yeah, it sounds very good, and I saw like you were also very successful in this. You won some prize,
most topic.
Yes,
most topic.
Yeah, so it
or
was
topical.
Yeah, most topical. So it's very like what we have all. At least I have suffered a bit higher electric bills this year that I actually wanted. So yeah, I think we've all been there. So thank you a lot from the interview, and it was very nice to hear about your projects. So
it was very nice participating. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Joo, jos me, I think this was the final interview because one group kind of ran away, but it's fine. So this was very nice event, and we heard lots of interesting projects and learned a lot. So I hope you as well in the other end had the same experience. So thank you, and see you next year.